my KSET and Comet K 2025 aspirants. So your exams are over, will be out in few days, and the next process that is going to happen is the most important process, that is your counseling process. So to enter into the counseling process, to prepare for the counseling process, you should be knowing what branches you are interested in and what is their cutoff, so that you can know that whether your rank, which colleges you will be getting. So in this video, we are going to discuss top 10 colleges which and their cutoff for ECE, that is Electronics and Communication Engineering. It is a very, I can say, important and a trending branch after computer science and AI. The next most common and most favored branch is your ECE, and we'll be talking about what companies give placements, how many companies do come to the colleges for taking placements from these branches, as well as the last year cutoff for Comet K and KSET for the top 10 colleges. So if you are interested in ECE or you want to explore ECE, then please watch the complete video. Let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you that what all companies are there which gives you placement if you belong to ECE branch. So you should be knowing, right? Ki, okay, if I do ECE, if I'm taking this particular branch, then what all possible companies are there, so that you can even research about these companies, you can apply for internship in these companies. So a rough idea should be there. So this is RV College ECE placement companies. So these colleges, these companies like Texas Instruments, NXP, Nokia, AMD, ANSYS, MaxLinear, Bosch, Siemens, Meditech, and Global Foundries, Intel, Span Idea. Then we have RF MW, Qualcomm, Synopsys. These are some top top companies that gave placement to ECE last year in RV College. Okay. Now we will have some data from MSRIT also. So this is branch-wise placements, or branch-wise the number of offers that were made. So you can see that if I just compare, first you see in ISE it was maximum, this is 2024 data by the way, then CSE was 172, and next we have, this is for MBA, we don't have to consider. Then next, the third highest branch where we got the maximum number of offers was your ECE, and about 143 offers were made in ECE branch. So now you can understand that if you are taking this particular branch, your future, your placement future will definitely be secure. You can get into the top companies, you can get into the top packages, so that is not a doubt. So now once you are clear with this branch, you are okay with what all companies are there, what all offers will be coming. Now we can dive into the cutoff. The most important thing, that whether you will be eligible for this branch or not based on the cutoff. So let's see here. So first, coming to RVCE, that is your most famous, most popular, most wanted college. So in that, Electronics and Communication Engineering, the KSET rank is 1354, and the Comet K cutoff for 2024 was 1636, and this is your general merit cutoff. Okay, I'm just telling you, there is no quota involved. This is completely general merit of 2024. Okay, and these are last round cutoff, means in KSET the second extended round, and in Comet K the third round cutoff I have told you. So if your rank is between 1354, then you can get ECE in RV, or if your rank is between 1600 something, you can also get Comet K in RV. Sorry, you can get ECE through Comet K in RV. Next, we'll talk about Electronics and Telecommunication. I have just added this branch thinking that is lightly similar. So in KSET 2357, and in Comet K it is 3280. Next, if I move to BMS College of Engineering, okay, so you can see in KSET there are two types of seat for EC. One is aided and one is unaided. Okay, so for aided, the cutoff for KSET is 2955, and for unaided it is 6013. Okay, aided means it will be subsidized price, whereas in unaided the fees will be little bit on the higher side. Next, Comet K, the cutoff is 6867. Moving to MSRIT, next, sorry, PES University. So you know PES doesn't take through Comet K, only KSET. So I'll tell you the KSET cutoff for the EC, that is 5451. Again 2024 cutoff. Okay. Next, we'll talk about MSRIT. So EC here is 4880 and Comet K is 5898. Coming to Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, or we call it ETC, it is 10,198 and 9240. Okay, next we have SJCE or Sri Chamarajendra College of Engineering. Here also we have only through KSET, and EC cutoff is 7265. Okay. Next we'll talk about JSS Science and Technological University. So that is also through KSET only, and here the EC cutoff is 9599. Next, if I move to UVCE, that is University of Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, here also there is no Comet K. So by KSET you can go to up to 9976. Okay, means almost up to 10,000 rank also you can get. Now coming to Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. So here EC cutoff for KSET is 12,000 and for Comet K it is 5,005, and ETC for KSET it is 24,000 and for Comet K it is 8,811. Now talking about the 9th college here, that is KLE Technological University. In KSET, EC the cutoff is 13,674 and in Comet K it is a huge rank given, 76,000, almost 965. So if you have this much rank also, you can get this top branch. Now coming to Siddhaganga Institute of Technology located in Tumkur, very famous institute. So here EC KSET cutoff is 15,124 and Comet K cutoff is 49,202, right? So yes students, so these were the top 10 colleges and the ECE cutoff for KSET as well as Comet K of 2024 last round. Okay, so you can take this data, just take a screenshot and match if any college is, if your rank, I know many of you must have predicted your rank. So if your rank is falling in these colleges, you can explore more, you can see what all branches are there, but definitely ECE is a top trending branches. So just comment down that what is your desired branch, in which branch you are more interested in, and do you want to know more about ECE branch, like what all things are studied there, what is the future of this branch, what will be your syllabus, curriculum. If you want that and a detailed video on ECE, do comment down. Okay, so thank you for watching and all the very best.